If Capcut is giving you an error when installing, or the installer is stuck at 0% or 95%, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes to get Capcut installed properly on your computer without wasting time. These steps are simple, beginner-friendly, and they usually solve the issue in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common issue, which is when the Capcut installer looks stuck at 95%. A lot of people think the installation has failed completely, but in many cases Capcut is actually already installed in the background. So, the first thing you want to do is leave the installer open and open your Task Manager. On Windows, you can do that by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list for anything related to Capcut. If you see it, right-click on it and choose End Task. This can force the installer to stop hanging and allow the installation to finish properly. After ending the task, check your desktop, your Start menu, or your Apps list. In many cases, Capcut will already be fully installed and ready to open. So even if the installer was frozen, the app itself may still be there. This is one of the fastest fixes when Capcut appears to get stuck near the end of the install. Now, if your Capcut installer is stuck at 0% or it fails to start altogether, the problem may be related to permissions or a network block. The easiest fix for this is to run the setup file as an administrator. Find the downloaded Capcut installer, usually the .exe file, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permission it needs to make changes to your system, and can often bypass those startup errors. If it still does not work after that, the next thing to check is your available storage space. Capcut needs enough free internal space to unpack its setup files and temporary resources during installation. Make sure your device has at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of free space available. If your drive is too full, the installer may freeze, stop responding, or fail before it even gets going. Free up some space if needed, then try the installation again. It's also a good idea to make sure you downloaded the installer from the correct source and that your internet connection is stable while setting it up. Sometimes a corrupted download or interrupted connection can cause the installation to hang at the beginning. If that happens, delete the current installer, download a fresh copy, and try again using the administrator option. So, to quickly recap, if Capcut is stuck at 95%, open Task Manager and end the Capcut task. If it's stuck at 0% or won't launch, right-click the installer and run it as administrator. And always make sure you have at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of free space before installing. These 3 fixes solve most Capcut installation errors and should get you up and running fast. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.